Hello, beautiful people. I'm in Sacramento with Joy, and I'm super excited.
Absolutely. We're in my organic garden.
Yeah, so she's showing me first the spider plants that I gave her, which she's taking very good care of.
Yes,
Thank you
and
very
they're
much.
proliferating, and I'm giving them away.
Amazing. So she's showing me what is in her garden here and how she started everything from just seeds. So tell me, Joy, what is this over here?
Okay, so these are my seeds this is where they are. They're actually, I'm hardening them, so I'm leaving them outside for a little while for them to get a little strength, get beaten up a little bit by the wind. And so they're strong enough so when I transplant them over here, is where they're going to all be. Already from seeds, I have my lettuce. I have only actually one start, and the one start that I have is eggplant. And then I have strawberries. Everything's organic. The soil is organic. The seeds are organic. And these are, they're not ready to go yet. But actually, which is odd, this has never happened, but every single seed sprouted.
Really?
Every one. That almost never happened. The only thing that I did try at starting at seed was my spinach, but I knew it was too late, so I knew they wouldn't come up. But everything else.
Wow.
And so we're just waiting for them to be strong enough. So I don't keep them in direct light. I put them over here in the shade, and I leave them out longer and longer every day. And they're already beginning to really strengthen and sprout up because they're kind of, they're really weak.
Okay.
So over here what I have is collards. I have cauliflower. I have bok choy, cilantro, tomatoes, bell pepper, green onions, and yellow onion. And some of the things that came back from over here, which I didn't know they would come back, are my green onions and garlic chives I have over here. I didn't know they were coming back, but they decided to come back.
Wow. So this is a whole little garden over here.
Right. And what I'm going to do differently this year, I have an herbal spray that I put on these to stop the worms because they love the lettuce, and you can see that they started eating my eggplant. But as soon as you put the spray on it, what it does is it doesn't kill them, but they stop eating. They won't eat it.
Oh.
And then these are my strawberries, which are I have a couple of them already out here. This one is growing.
Oh, how
So
beautiful.
they're doing pretty well.
Oh my gosh.
And then I have a soaker hose that's timed because I can't trust my husband.
A soaker. What'd you call it?
It's the soaker hose.
Soaker hose.
And this
Okay.
is a timer because every time I would leave, I'd tell my husband, "Did you water the plants?" And he'd go, and then of course I'd always shoot out there. So I
Right,
got the soaker hose
right.
I couldn't trust him.
And so does it have little holes all through the thing?
There are holes all through it, and I have it tapped down so they're spiked in.
Okay.
So right now I have it set for, it'll tell you, this is the time it is, and then it'll tell you in 17 hours and 28 minutes it'll start.
And so if it rains, then does it shut it off?
I have a little thing there that you can press for a rain day, so it'll stop it from watering.
Okay.
But this has been really this has been a lifesaver, having a soaker hose. And I had to test it out for a couple of years. The first year.
Yeah.
Anyway, what I'm going to do this year
is
I'm going to buy live ladybugs.
Oh.
I think you get 1,700 in a bag, and you put them out in the evening, late evening, or at night because they don't fly around at night. And they'll stay in the area if there's food. So when I transplant them, when I see the aphids, I'm going to release because they eat them. One ladybug will eat 50 aphids a day.
Wow.
So.
And then what? You just call all the little ladybugs at night or
No,
or
they'll
during
stay.
the day? They'll stay
They'll
out.
actually
Okay.
stay. If there's food in the garden, as long as there's aphids, they'll stay.
Okay.
If the aphids go, they go. And if the aphids go, I want everybody to go.
right.
So,
And
I'm-
now the ladybugs won't eat the plants.
No,
and
they
stuff.
only eat the aphids.
They'll only eat the aphids.
They'll eat the aphids and other little
Okay.
insects, but they are voracious eaters. They're
that's
beetles, so
interesting.
they're not really bugs. They're beetles,
Right.
and they eat a lot.
Okay.
So that's what my plan is this year when the aphids show up, because it's a fight. The aphids were trying to. I had artichokes for 2 years, and it was really great.
Yeah.
And it was me and the aphids every day.
Oh,
And then
yuck.
there's this is called neem oil. It's insecticide, and it's supposed to be. It won't hurt. I don't think it's organic.
Okay.
This is organic. And then I have another organic. It's like a mixture that I do. It's like a soapy thing, and that way, I'm not doing crazy.
And soapy thing, what do you mean? Like
soapy-
Dove soap?
You can use soap
Okay.
and just a little bit of alcohol, and
Okay.
it just
Oh, wow.
it works. And so
And you just
that's what
spray
I'm
it
using.
directly on the
On the
plant?
plant, and you could actually eat the plant like the next day.
Oh,
It's
wow.
Not gonna, it's not going to poison anybody, animals. or
It's
anything
not
else.
toxic.
It's not toxic.
Okay,
So
okay.
that's my plan. And again, I think it's really important. I think it's really important that every human being knows how to grow food.
Yes,
You know,
which I'm learning.
everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody. And you don't have to have a big garden. You can actually have a little. My son built me one in Georgia where it was like on stilts. I didn't even have to lean over.
Huh.
I had a whole vegetable garden. It was 2 feet by.
Oh, that's
4
such a good
feet.
idea.
You can do it yourself. It's very easy.
Yeah.
To make them. You don't have to make one that big. And of course, you can grow tomatoes. There's all kinds of things to grow tomatoes.
Right.
And then when you have a lot, you share them with your neighbors.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Joy. This was a fantastic lesson. You all know that I'm learning about vegetables and fruits and all kinds of stuff. So
That's
wherever
right.
I can get knowledge from, which I get a lot of knowledge from in every topic from Joy, I'm always super grateful, and I'm always trying to share what I've learned. Because remember, friends, we are learning together. So
That's
if there's
right.
anything that you know about gardening or just house plants or how to cultivate food,